test the cake by putting a toothpick inside, and if there's no dough coming out, then it means the cake is ready. Yeah, it's coming out clean, so the cake is ready now. To get the cake out of the tin, use a knife just to be sure that the cake is not stuck to the edges. Make sure you don't miss the center also, and just run your knife around like this, and make sure you have it cool down. It doesn't have to be super cold, but I had it out for 20 minutes. And now we'll see how easily it will remove. That looks lovely. Now I will just put some icing sugar on top of the cake. You can also put some chocolate topping or whatever topping you like.